When I was your age, there's a strict ordering to grouping symbols. Parentheses were always the inmost grouping symbols, followed by brackets, followed by braces, so you could always know what to do first. But now, parentheses are everything. I don't even know if I have the right number of parentheses there, but bear with me. So like the old school, let me do old school example. We'd have something like this, 3 plus 4 enclosed in parentheses, then minus 2 with the brackets, times 3. This would be the old school rendering because they were very strict about parentheses, brackets, and then braces, working inmost to the outmost. Now with parentheses being the utility grouping symbol, it would be something like 3 plus 4 in parentheses, and then minus 2, another set of parentheses, and then times the 3, yet another parentheses. So just keep in mind, you have to work from the inside out. So let's take a look at the example we have here on the right, the 3 plus 4. So what we do is we do this part first because that's the inmost set of parentheses. We're going to do 3 plus 4, that's 7. We keep all the other parentheses. They're not really doing anything right now. So they're spectator terms and grouping symbols. Next, we still go inside to outside. So the next one inside is the 7 minus 2. We're going to do that next. 7 minus 2 is 5. And then we still have this. And like, oh, 5 times 3, cool, that's 15. So just remember, you work from the inside out in order of operations. The only exception to this is if we have a negative number. You got to be very careful with that. I would always enclose negative numbers in parentheses, as I would the numerators or denominators of rational expressions, especially once they're factored. But we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. That's kind of more an algebra 2 thing. Okay, good luck, guys.